What's up, man? Y'all already know you rocking with. We got you covered, man. What's going on in the neighborhood? We got you with some of y'all favorite rappers, man. We got you with some rare footage, just in case y'all missed out. Y'all was caught up, at work with the family and such on. You get the replay right here. So subscribe, man, so you can get every delivery that we cook up. And don't miss out, man. Everybody else is tuned in. Don't be the only one left behind. Let's go. We over here with Chito Ranas, man. Chito Ranas seems like he was kicking back at the trap, man. Just laying back, man. Another rapper. Invited him onto, the split screen. And we got to see and hear a little snippet of one of Chito Ranas' unreleased music songs coming soon, man. Shout out to Chito, man. For real, we need some more music. And you already know where you get the previews, man, right here. So let's run it.
Ay, look, I've been having motion like the ocean, this you crazy. In the city, I'm poppin', so we strapped like the Navy. It's a damn in the Beamer, but you're more on a Mercedes. Pocket stuff with all blues like 4PF, no little baby. Red trapping, pop my shit, that's why a lot of niggas hang me. Brand new blood came with a sweet sleeve, you clocking just from safe. And I suggest if you speak upon my name, just pick your casket. The last thing that I got the poppin' and got caught in traffic. Hey, things changing, shit switched up, that money get into a nigga and then fuck the shit up. We trapping out the bando every day, we getting richer for the tag on your head, my little nigga gon' get you. Hey, look, I'm sipping Chris off of hella mud. Hey, my bitch bad, she look hella good. Brand new BBL, you know she got that big butt. I can't wait for her to heal so I can be the first to fuck. Hey, I'm sipping Chris off of hella mud. Hey, my bitch bad, she look hella good. Brand new BBL, you know she got that big butt. I can't wait for her to heal so I can be the first to fuck.
Okay. Hey, nigga. Yeah, honey. That shit hard.
I'm making bangers. Yeah. Nigga. Off the dome, brother. You know what's going on?
That was out the dome, nigga. That shit, right?
Yeah. I said, things changing, shit switch up, that money get into a nigga head and fuck the shit up. Nigga.
On her.
Yeah.
Hold on, brother. Hold on, brother.
All this food, I was like, damn, that shit hard.
Man, I'm telling you.
I appreciate you, bro. Hey, if you fucking shoot a video, I'm down to bring some shit. Alright, if you want to do some shit too, bro, I'll
Yeah,
fuck with you, bro.
I'm gonna fuck with you, gang.
Yeah, appreciate you, bro. You guys shoot a video, son, you tell me your sizes.
Yeah.
You guys wear new shit every time.
Yeah, I got you, gang. Look. My life. Hey, look, I've been having motion like the ocean, this shit crazy.
So there it is, man. Chito Ranas, kicking back. Got the drink, the muddy bottle in the trap. Ready to release some music, man. Tuning in with other artists and, of course, his fans, man. So y'all go ahead, run up that comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this little preview of the song, man. I thought it was pretty fire, man. I can't wait to hear the actual, the actual quality when they drop it, man. So shout out everybody, man. Hit that comment, hit that subscribe button. We got more uploads on the way. Be on the lookout for the channel.